Hello and welcome to our series of Target Prelims 2019. The topic for today is the new definition of petroleum. Now, whenever there is a union of two subjects, it becomes a UPSC favorite. Now, what has happened here is that geography, which is related to petroleum, as well as a government policy is what is united in this particular topic. So, questions from this field is what we can expect. Now, first and foremost, you should know that this amendment to the definition of petroleum is what has been made in the Petroleum and Natural Gas Rules of 1959. So this is one factual aspect which is important. Next, what you should know here is with regards to the old definition of petroleum. Now, in the old definition of petroleum, what were not included primarily, first and foremost, you should know that coal was not included, lignite was what was not included, helium was what was not included, so and also shale was what was not included as under the definition of petroleum, which was largely about naturally occurring hydrocarbons in the form of natural gas or in the form of a liquid. That means natural gas was included in a viscous or a solid form, and a mixture of these is what was included in the old definition, but these four were not included. Now, the newer definition has made some changes. In this newer definition, the word free state is what has been done away with. In the old definition, it was said that anything that was existing in a free state, any hydrocarbon that was existing in a free state is what was to be included as petroleum, and this particular phrase was preventing the exploration of shale under petroleum, primarily because shale, you should know, it does not exist in free state, rather it exists between the rocks, and for these rocks are to be cracked, and from these cracks this shale gas is to be extracted. So because of this reason, this exploration of shale under petroleum was what was being prevented, but now this free state is what has been done away with. So now only three things are not included, that is coal, lignite and helium will not be included, but shale is what is going to be included under the definition of petroleum. So this is the change that has been made. This has certain implications. The implications are that now exploration of all hydrocarbons including traditional oil, gas, shale and coal bed methane are what can be done from the same piece of same field that has been licensed out, and also this is in line with the hydrocarbons exploration and licensing policy. So this is something that is in line with the energy needs of the country, which are rising by the day. There are some challenges, and the primary challenge here is with regards to shale. Now, exploration of shale gas is what is believed to consume a lot of water, so that is what is going to be a challenge. Also, it is believed to be environmentally damaging, and another thing is that the estimates of shale are something that India does not have. So once it is already not known that how much is the shale gas that is present, it is not viable to explore it, is what are some of the challenges, but that is something that is not of interest to you. What you should know that shale is going to be under the definition of the word petroleum in the amendment to Petroleum and Natural Gas Rules. So this is one important development which can be a PT question, and that's all about our discussion today. I thank you all for watching the video.